Obja mini aba Janet Ejiwa Kuma aka Otumfo Ekuti Ahema oni Otumfo papa ebusua pani owusu aduo me kan na me kire be say me free jaache ne baafo amoaten Otumfo achi amepanyini me nua ana enne no ye ne ewu opoku ware ti se wutie Otumfo de ochi kruwi okrawe ne brawe nwuma so krobia ye fi ampese chi kotokohene otena se na ententeme ne ebo ne ntahra ne ehyen a obete se wan ne benya se opoku tenten ofri jaache ena ne ba ne ho ye ne ewu opoku ware nti Otumfo bia no yaachefo yaage de esi na so ye ba ntim kasa papa no no a kire mu tiawa eno no me yenko na yenko se yenko mobo no ase biem ya beduru nkran akwa ababiem
Yeah.
say asetena abaye kama e de ama wonye sa awa nkran
Asetena abaye kama no de obi ani se de odi fine na kama ba me de me okay
the wood definition ye kama wo say si awa nkran ne say
si kama no de obi awo ade a ye kama ma no wona brabom obi ewo won bebre asisi niam bebre but still enya kama ma no me de ministry na so ye kama ma
okay
nti kama no de di se
wona wo so se de obesi hu kama se de sitie mate wase pa sanse obi won ma wo po enso fi se wogi se onya obi de ketua na atreman de ka ho zanu aye okay mate wase pa enkran abrabo se wagya ase bi adwuma ne ye nti adwuma be na aye ne nkran
okay me ya adwuma wo company bi but I don't want to disclose that
it's okay. It's okay. Say we okay. Near my BI, come and kakra at the mouth said according to you, say you define your okay.
Say meet me didi.
Okay.
Meet me who near me pe.
At me to. Opa out to.
He said they say me nya chichinga nka marry.
Chichinga na nam de hina.
Yeah, chichinga no wo gizzard no. No. Eno say nde no na marry.
Akokode no.
Akokode no. Ana menya wait seneka no. Oh, I confirm.
Onum so ye ode ho.
Yeah. He said mu de no. Nyi no na fe ba mo. He said the mu ye me de.
Onum kakra.
Dabi.
And the on fan kan.
Dabi.
And nam so de unya honko.
And nam so de marry, o ma me marry.
This wani amoso.
And yes me this mani amboso. Me nya de marry.
But unya ya to be.
Me nya ya me ti baby.
Na so unya de a.
Me nya marry, obi to ma me marry. Ana me me fere se ndem me pese me nta me to marry. Ba me mfa nya deleting. E wo ho a ba mu ba kwa me se nde de we na me pa na marry.
De ni wura social media.
Social media politics na di me ram o. Yeah. So there was last year when I joined the social media so now it was insult I did my political party but could be now I saw it to be say it's not that fair. So me ko kan assemble ko and as usual I will say so far as I will can say bia open party A and that party B asem no we we then that we say we and I wow Nyamu opposite no ombedi watem so omudi matem but that was it and people started liking my videos and kambe ye vote wie no and ma yimensa afrim
otiwa na ase me nso me nko social media no so bia na
me to work ke me fa me phone and I started oh I didn't know okay that was my party and me ka say me wo MPP and yes na me wo mu so this okay I mean go back me NDC ni a me free authority me ma me papa still ogusu NDC we na hwe enye yi so now there was this criticism and that much that means me tina ho me hwe in as much as amount for the way people are talking no and you say bia wanye hwe krada. But the way they were saying it is like wanya who like and I mean so mimi kura mu kwan na enye and na da roma edem say sa kodru oti nti me hwe all those things ni man kitinkiti bia me hwe say papa we my say dem bo mu ma no bonua yo because me nkwala mu free me ho no ma o mako free SHS obo bebre me kan me ntimi nkan about that omo bia mba ha ma adwo no mo ha ma adwen bi. You see, so I saw it to be say, okay, until upon all this, no, you don't have to make your say, oh, you use them, and the kind of where ya mo can ya me one thing about me they say I don't want someone to insult me. Oh, so ube or a politician, fine. Say that man for justify say we a politician you intimi what I feel say wrong. Yeah, to say President Mahama wo hui. Now, what for phone na see so say. No, Mahama me person me use it that way. Now who can send me here? No. Or your papa will be. So why do you insult Obi papa? That was my year me ba me beka or media no so. And I me beka why do you did it one year papa what you say? And I know mudi matem. And people started liking it. Say who you obi a wo kind of and where I'm coming from obi anu me say ohon mu nyina NDC for. So me papa go see NDC. Now me so omo wo ha me papa hu Mahama ayo say hey Mahama de bema what do you say my psyche na still emfa so you see me na make say oh mafa me papa no oye 50-50 why yi because say we dey work am at we dey work out bet what you say moja no gusu so I leave it to that. I am not against any political party but I don't want you to criticize
insult
na to insult no me pesa me mama otimika say wo beto say me ni obi ku na nipa no ye me size nipa no di matem kwampa wo ne ba no wonni hu right say obedi penin natem because oyo no penin na asem nya wa akwala na asem nti me I feel say nkwala mo di niema bia si omani so na omotimi fa phone si omo so na mo di mpenifo atem I see it to be say how are they trained? Yes, and I may dream say, oh my no training almost saying, how did they do it? Because they are lacking a lot. And yet, so that was my trigger. And I may buy social media and so. And I've seen say me buy so no, it wasn't that bad. And me having communication background. It's my fault, so no, I
oh, okay. Yeah, now all the some to honmona and crofobia, no, but you can comment. Yeah, ne basiano, and it to the income wa moody atemna. Say na usi a fan.
So, in communications, no, you have to target something. So in everything you have your target audience. So if you targeting crofobia say you should know see the opponent will stand against you. So you should be prepared. Say one, who will be politics asema, and now be can obi ni obi asema. And then the opponent no be call against you. So I am prepared for that. And I dear hame. And me who di matema, who did anybody matem? Me amanya kama asem krobo social media say me view omu ni tro nti na bia bibi e bia baka say ya na mu ya hiafo no no betimi dey di matem but above that then be no say di matem I don't see it e bia just e bia afem kwa dwen ade obi di matem e be ya me ya apart from studio ohia be sere me ya bia be no kwa mbo no ya overcome
and then because so obeka so ho tan ho nya tan
we dey be they all bet me aka na ne
wa maka sister bi we krum na che se ne hwena bo okasa na ne hwene no kasa fam sa nti wonu nya ntokwa no acha se he me ne obeka no sa me hwena bo omi a me hwene so de obi anim sa bo no odi ka kan o ka wi awunya bibia nka mche ne biem sanso unso ba wo gina ho pa but kasa na ne hwene no nti aye de ama no no na abeka wanya kan wi bibia no okay enti yato abari e de wo se wagyan manyosam ye wo ho
yes my jai cry but I think say me this is how I feel say ni o aba no ono so ma no kwan no ono so nya na ade but ano so nkyere say bia obi so criticize ni ma bia me so mo jai that they can go ahead but me personally you know that's how I feel say ono so nya na ade oya na yokodru ayi a ebesa botu no wa hu ni wa anye ni yiye no de no na criticize no not attacking the person criticize the person no attack yeah ma for the ade mienu no bom no ubeti aka say ade ma wanye we ade no wanye say
wanye de wanya de kura
we say pa I don't want to use those things because obi use am painting me metna wo me kan no bi so that is it no just say na maja na me die
afei yenhwe all of a sudden crash den tenana afei de wa graduate o say wono o kan atamfo no ho wo atamfo ku a say de wo kasa de ama atamfo Wabaya Asante by force. And no if he in a buy. As I say,
see, I don't for no me enough for. Aha, and I don't for no me enough for. No, I me enough for us.
A dear ne cofa and no buy a man also. What do you be room?
So this is one thing. Let me just me person you been deep in here. So there was a video and I make about Ashanti Kingdom new too for how things are going, and I like it so much anyway. And as usual, I travel for no be so mu, and omudi matem so kama. Omo fa mama wan che me, omo ma be come home. But I see say a normal thing, you see. Now too for no ate no atwam na so no kwampo anye wonya hwe. So I feel say a normal thing na mo chance and omo ka no more. Ha, nti no me hwe no na ma hu say ebi wo ho ya ni bie kakra woni mbie ya utimi kan niema bia nsese wonka because I say I just say yeah so na koduru abi so ma te o mase because oni obi e wo ho na bra abo nyina ekoyiye na wudie nkoyiye na se bayiye kakra wo ani ase a ebe haw
ha ye kan wo son yonko out town
obotan ha nti ayasa na be haw ti no in as much say me mpese adidi atam ni those things no me sati o ma se biobo kakra o say because obi omo ye den da Asante for sin omo ho ha nti na ayasa no and say yentan Asante for nti o no me ye tan Asante for mo nti ase e be time mo me ka o me atam for ni bio nti
atam for agent
me na me o secretary
why I didn't na Asante na anye tribe fufuro na Asante mum na wese wani je ho sa adinta
so who say we are see me yeah I me just say we be set target na target before so be set target and yes we so keke no set target wo hwe niema bi a obi ye ade bi obi aye ade bi a modern obi we say obi wo automatically no obo no ho modern nti wo hwe department say minya nipa we ya obi a wo say you know utimi hu obi ka say nka ya me na me die nipa we ya nka mepe ha so person won hwe Ghana enye no kre na nipa mpa Ashantis have gone far enye no kre na nipa mpa even within Africa Ashantis are going they have gone far nti say wo di omo ye wo case study na wo stadium na wo show mana motu no fa bia nka nya bone sa nti no in as much say they will not accept it but omo ye den gwa ba Asante for ko mani match obia Ghana ne ka na ye den but that's the truth ebe ha omo kakra na so
ye o ya se wanye Asante
anga mi Asante ni anga wo menya home mi Asante ni anya ngobo ni ba no jo wa mo mi Asante ni oni mo ba nya ngobo ye bad to that guy no o ya guy o si mi Asante ni anya yi endi no wa sha da hu nya ngobo no pa o ya guy ya me
enka o man nkofo home wo kuma esa
agbo ka me ka say Asante for no mo ye o ma de na ma for guy e na nwora mo ye tu no me ti ase because me nka me anka me ye tu no kura 3 no me de be 3 no nti na ne de
esa agro kakra nso wo ani so
me fa things personal abra bon ma fa no cool me fa no personal o say o fa bibia personal how abra boy me bibia me ye free
the show video ba ko na wo de Asante Frank abi the chef flag no wo de ahye waso ha na ateke mu
ebi kwa bobo mi ka mu ebi bo mi ka mu ndra me ba say na me ba na police for hu mi no nya hu mi okay otu for na me say police for bibia mu wo ucha to boot na wo ba omu gina ho no say say me wo bibia Asante bibia me wo Asante for no ba mu ni mu ne me wo sa mo Asante no ba mu ni ne me wo ni bi
ko t-shirt ko me nyanya mi to bi wo bi
me wo bibia set full set akase me ya Asante mpaboa na me de flag ata atatare ho eno anaka
me hwe eba German president what about Asante memu na no so ye hu video ese huro bi atwetwe bi
eno no atafofo no na me ni omuko meeting no na na omo mpesa ye nti o masuma me nti na maba ha no me ba be ka asemacha Asante for say ya montomobo na ya mu ye bi gumododo nti Asante atafofo na asuma me ntia
eso Asante fo ya no mo ye ma ne boroso
omo ye ma no broso won se esa na atafofo na ye omo ya nti omu suma me nti we suma ye na ana
wo shase a wo ye sa de no wanya amane bi
oh amane na na ye didi atam no apart from no de be ma na bi
okay ye ntata obi adwuma mu ne sa ne ma no
ani dia obi a onya Asante ni wa wo hwa de me ye be ne de anya ne de nti ane de oh but me de me mfa
nti amo onya atamfo ankasa wo
ufa the personal wa wasemu ane de manya bi bebre but ane de
enye ade e ka ko en bibia empem se wo begya sa ne ma ne ye
me ja ya de me ja
me na wa kakra chi ase
na why na wo phone wo mo kwampo ba ko na wo phones ohon mam tell say the living there is very hard and anya say bia me ja ho me nka ho asem asem bi ba ye very yeah I'll talk about it when we see but the thing is why na kwakota attack you
na nkrom hene kra chi hene wo hu a be ye ne fe
say
wagya wo no na wo hype wo hene foforo bi
no it's not see my ja or no hype obi foforo who is the thing is you can are you what is the comparison here you don't have to compare they are some now kan be ya mama anya asem
me pese obenya asem enti say de wo ye fu Asante nie
me mama kura ti ase
sa
me mama kura ndoze agosi amesi
wo sha ase na wo ye sa ne ma no o maame mo ani je ho
yeah me mama de no osuro especially politics na me here in first those yeah no osuro me bayo on my time that time no dey now na dey
onuanom afrew aka bibi a chose sei na obi aka ache me dia family
me nua oba na oka ho no dey no so you worried more but say dey omo nyina ma you used to they are used to
I'm so social media no so bi
mo also
but omo dey omo ye omo ne ma foforo
omo ye low key
awo dey say dey social media wa bon po e dey a share kira so
abi say atamfofo na ma bo me pa nti no they say no they say me kasa ma atamfofo no me kasa ma Asante
e dey nti na aba Asante mem
me will live nti me ba be chele
ene wanya ba bia anche dey say Asante mem
see atamfofo na suma me say me mbra Asante mem na me meka nche mo say ya ne ma mo ye na ya mo njai bi ye nti ma ba no
e dey niam bi na Asante ya na ye ofefe ye wakono
Asante dey si bibia ya kondo de be mbio say ya bo kwa bo su ya Asante ni kwa ya kondo unya ya na nka wo su ya me na me ka se Jacob o ya bad to sama no o ya bad na nka me beba bi fra Asante o ana o ya o se ho de ko crash ana o de me ko show sama no nya ko ya bad o ya bad
bibia wa hanom okay de ma
na say Asante de o ma atamfo for ma time o atamfo no mo se ma me nka se Asante for bibia ye fe ohun ndi hello
hello no kwa na wo kasa na de fama me hwa metimi stressa
o ma atamfo na time atamfo no mo pesa
bibia fa Asante ho eye ofe
na nye se nyam eye mi fo ye obi afo but the thing is unya Asante ni ebe ya bibia about Asante efe the culture how you display things tradition nyama ni ayi na recently hwe mi nim bibia fa ne se ntam Asante for makofa enu so be bom
no so mi hu se wo kan wasem
tintin je se de bia wo ma yesu ya de foforo ohun nti Asante bibia de efo na kaya ya wa so
ti hu se ntam no so no waso asi so a wo ti
kan say mama ye go school every day Asante for person ye go school they say ye nka ma asem bi Asante for why ma adwe se mo be ha ya atam foforo wa ntam na je say mu chiri ntam no eye so special proportion law mama boy yeah afen ye hu yesu ye ne ma bi de bia mo ma yesu ya de
sebi oku donto ye wo ba ya Asante mem hade a ye hin kese de otukuru yo krawe ne brawe ngma so sa ne ntam kese no enye ebini 1992 constitution e de ma ye Asante fo amenka nsa ne obi ti ba
obi a o ye tipika Asante de eno na ogidi
wo ba ye Asante mem ha ye no so che sa 1992 constitution na ye Ghana de ano enti sa na ye hu no enti na ohun se court na asem no wo but ohun se hono
endimbuano
okantam na and won say court nwie but ntam no me no ka say funeral committee no say agu no date no say asesa no ama oba no ye akoso abrempoma no ono na koma so ade no ana me mo hwe se ye de betu yi enti eno no na se ntam no ba betimi adimu aye enti se wusuasua we nyina na okafu a ene ma hu sa Asante e great
yeah,
no
yeah. Oh, Asante is special. Them far grown to you see, Asante for you will be different from other people. Everything about Asante ni be different. Who go school, our classmates, or your Asantenia, or you're different. Like Ajumamu, we call it or your Asantenia, ni be different. Everything about Asante is oh yeah, then they'll be who see where Asantini.
Okay.
Like
you will see ye near my fan.
Bibi be able fetch out so Asantini. Okay. So it makes people feel say
intimidated.
You see, auntie, and then na who you being so ye time be a person can was man or being a beer, meaning there is something special about you. So me, I have seen say there is something special about our Asante. People don't really want to know. And now more it's because how they don't want to say it. So there are a lot of things about Asante that are very good. That are good. Everything like me so be one side effect there, but no Asante.
Enti said you see ka Asante asebi die. Me gini say em say eda wo benya kwanya ne beba. Na wo benya kwanya de wonsa. Ato de atu okru wi okrawe ne brawe nguma so santimera. Ko bia de fi ampasa ji kotoko hene no tumfo se ditu a otoso mienu na na mbo ndi anama mabu so. E de eda ne de em say dabre.
No da no atafo no ebe ha omumu na da no so memechi anu wie pe so amenche obi abi
sa
ana se mechi obi biom a me di gloves be sha mensa wo ho eno me de sha mensa no sa mechi awo kwa bo se enye wo nsem no mechi ayi ana wo ho ebe kama yeah
na de no wa ma akwasi de bi ana nka onya akwanya ma ba pocket nkrechi
me off no nya ndru yo me leave me will leave into na ba me will leave until leave no ma sha da maka se leave yi there Kumasi minim Kumasi. What do you say after the minimum Kumasi?
Oh, my hada.
My banner so a return journey. By year, by take more in a return journey. But said my back Kumasi better. And a dear, oh, the first time yeah.
Okay.
And they say we will crew
into buy Kumasi in the Senate.
Kumasi is very nice. Kumasi is calm. What's a cry issue? I don't know for one reason. So I'm out for a steady. Kumasi ajo. Bro, Accra issue, Accra. Omrachi obi aso gidi. And I hate to crumple Accra. I don't know say because of the sea and now say they the heat actually work Accra change Kumasi ajo.
Any when ya bed here, when ya kwode a, yem say wo free ha koduru a. Menim say wo ha nyina wo ye videos, but wo free ha koduru a, video a wo be ya abra wo free Kumasi akoduru Accra ne de. Yem say atamfo no bebo sujwetiri.
Oh, say that atamfo for Matias here. Okay. I'm who say omo ye hwe enye yi nti omo Matias here.
Okay.
Nti omo de.
Ye kono kra no, e den na wo beka. E de etwato na e de aso YouTube.
Okay. Kaka me work can say. You see we make a chat atamfo for no. Hwe unim obi a memma ne obi aka say nipa we nye. And ebema waka say, oh, okay, I'm pass automatically. Sometimes you have to go closer to some people. Wouldn't that kind of way no nya, then you can even say nipa way or ya Asante or nye. But you don't even have to even generalize it. Say Asante phone you but to be truthful, no, Ashantes are sweet. They are very, very.
Oh, by send a reception it's here.
Oh, very. Obi who near. No, that's nice. Oh, I can't be near obi time. And no power for my dikra.
Omutimi recognize or say one.
Yeah, I don't know. Be a whom you. You see those things. Okay. The reception is very nice.
Yeah, himself also Asante kotoko now some year. I thought that I know the kwa. Who shall see a don't want Domabusia Cassie, a Cambusia Cassie in Wasam. Actually, be a PP one.
Oh, the thing is, you see, me, a debut or yeah, debut na unya good feedback. Yeah, na a buabum. But to be truthful, no, any feedback I do, what you will say, it's nice. You see, I don't even attack anybody on social media. Or be a study my videos in my media. I will not attack you. Yeah. I know how I go about my things. You see. You see. And I do it in a way, say, you, even if you don't like it, you like it. Ha. And the reception back and forth is very good. Now, Asante, maybe we are doing ah, and you what if you had this girl? Oh, we were not your scar. Hey, me calling because hey Jane, where I bet you bet you for us of you see that kind of thing. That reception is so nice. It's very nice. Oh, be a who say be or from because Jane, I dare we oh nice. Oh, gusu those kind of things. Oh, say oh yeah, there nyepe. You better start it. You see, go to the comment section. Those that criticize will be like 1%. Yeah, yeah. And those that like it, also. Until why do you have to say it will be 1% in it? No. Okay. So okay. It's something that in fact is good.
Ye to apokra no so who say mfreni maybe ebia bi hu mere bi owura kwa bi na watwe afidie ye record bi de asi ne so na wabue nanonumu na oka nsem ani kwase oka e de akire acheame a aya hu a say na hu no enim se wate masem na se acheame a de ka acheame a ma memra se de ba obeti ase yi e de fa the king ho a say na no hu.
Oh, see, I don't know where so who's in Nippon one. Is either say a viewer who to be a simo. I wouldn't need more view. Now, so they be on another dream canoe. Ha, oh, see, we are. Yeah, oh, Baba Mianya, some. Oh, wait, true, share. I'm more yari a dream can a doors be brave. Me second degree, my public health. Into minimum America. More dream come on doors where we are seeing. In fact, we in the pabas 10, I bet me was in the pabas 6 or more dream come. Will be an idea almost one row on the way. But so was an dream come. And you who be son or cancer. As I said, we treat any panas in a dream canoe. Asa. Okay. Well, now, Kakadeda. What treating the panas in a dream? I dream Kayari dorsal. Oh, Mamma Yaramo dorsal. What ya won't overpass, Mamma, Papa.
Meda so na say mpacho obi wo ho no ma na
obi wo
line no so
say am me kai de me nya ready for bibibia
what dey
say me ba be ready say ye o emre no so anyankopo ye bibia wo ne mbrem
say wo da ho kwa
me nka me da ho kwa na me da ho ka me mbemma say you no obi beka wo na ho kwa me bo wo da ho kwa me ma but me okay okay.
Onka se wo da ho kwa na wo na ho na so you okay.
You okay.
Nti obi pese oba homa no so akwa da.
Me peko obi amba homa bia so. They say me dwe abrabo no they say me wo baba ko so church mo.
Yeah, say wo no so wadru fine school mu.
They say o JHS2.
Okay. Oba na be ma.
Oba.
Okay. Okay. Me da se oba ye. Abusia ye ne Janet Ajiwa Kumi. Se we de menya dini kuma Janet Ajiwa Kuma. Ha. Aka otumfo ehuro hima otumfo ekuti ahima se de edi no mo de amema no social media ne sana ono ene ni edi enkomo ewa he enti ehu ni nipasu a oye se ni ositie baby of fire free ya afedi abeduru hanom a sebe aba abedane Asante prekope be kai mre bi menhia ha na nananom tenase no mu di asem na abusua ba akwa wo mo baaye wose wo ye ayi duanani asese na wo mu wie na wo ma begini na wo ma bedane aso nani na eho nyina akoye ese no na abusua so yetimi nyini mi be graduate bedane sa ene de bi asi ye nua krache ofiri krache onyini ye no wa bedane Asante ewa ha no nti ye de asi ye sorry na yakọ aha aye Asante man connect me pa cho se won subscribe ya bomode na ani die ni abrase so subscribe na share na like na fo adwen che fato ye nyina ye nipa baako nti mo ye nsom ne ye mmoa ye mpaja ye mfa Ghana nsiwo ba mo nyina mo ne hwa oje ahene wa